Automate your transactions in QuickBooks by creating memorized transactions for every transaction and report in QuickBooks. For example, let's try creating a memorized bill. We'll go to Enter Bills. We'll select a vendor, put in an amount, and now what we'll do is save it. Save it as a memorized transaction. So you just go to Control M, and this window pops up, and you can give it any name you want. You can just add it to your reminders list, or you can select Automate Transaction Entry. You can tell QuickBooks how often to remind you, every day, weekly, whatever your preference is. We're going to select monthly. You can tell it the next date you want to create the bill, and we're going to say July 1st, and every single month on the 1st of the month this bill will be created when you open QuickBooks. So I'm just going to say OK. So now if you want to see that memorized transaction, up on the list there's something called Memorized Transaction List. So here's the transaction we just created. We can go in and edit it by going down here into our little menu. You can see Edit Memorized Transaction. If we want to change it, say for instance we wanted to change it to every 2 weeks, and we want to have the bill created say 5 days in advance, we can do that. So that gives it different criteria. So now every 2 weeks it will automatically create this bill.